Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for the Assistant Minister for Health and Medical Services, Honorable Penioni Ravunawa, shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now invite the Honorable Penioni Ravunawa to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for the execution of office as Assistant Minister for Health and Medical Services before Your Excellency, facilitated by the Secretary to Cabinet.
I, Penioni Ravunawa, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law. I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Penioni Ravunawa, being appointed as Assistant Minister, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I will solemnly and sincerely promise to hold my office with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, and not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the function of my office conscientiously and to the best of my ability, so help me God.
Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite Honorable Penioni Ravunawa to join Your Excellency in the execution of the oaths. Your Excellency and distinguished guests, that concludes the formalities of the swearing-in ceremony.